Do you have tests at school about English and you need to study, and always and forever the topic that you need to study is modals? Do you understand modals? Do you always have problems understanding what or how to use them? In this video, I promise you are getting the definite and final explanation about what they are. Modals are short words in English that they serve a function. They have a function to be used in sentences. The function represents an objective, some kind of interaction that you need to propose when you are using English and when you are constructing English for a certain objective. I will give you an example. We have the classic can. Can is a modal that has the function to be talking about abilities or permissions. So when I put can in the sentence, I am asking if, or I am suggesting that I can do something because I have the possibility or I have the ability to do it. Do you want some examples? I can play the piano. I can't speak Russian. I can leave after 6. I can't come back after midnight. This means that the function, the real objective of the use can and can't is to talk about abilities and possibilities. When I have the permission, when I have the possibility to do something. When you understand why or the reason why or the modality, the way that you use a modal, you really understand why you are doing and why you need to do that in a test at school, for an international exam, for a conversation when you are talking to someone in English. If you understand the modality, the function of these words, it will be a game changer in your life. Another word besides can and can't that is a modal is the classic must. Must is a modal with the function to represent obligation or prohibition. Obligation or prohibition. When you use must, we are talking about a law, about something that is so strong that you can't break. For example, you must be 21 to drink alcohol. You mustn't park your car here. Must is used for absolute obligation. You must be 21 to drink. And mustn't is prohibition. Under no circumstances can you park your car here. It's absolutely a no no. So it's a prohibition. These two words are also game changers when you are thinking about modals, and they are essential for your daily life. All the time we talk about prohibitions and obligations. So this is the function of the words must and mustn't. Might and may have another function. They have another objective to be used. Might and may talk about probability, maybe. So when you are not sure, when you don't know what happened or what will happen, we use may and might to express this uncertainty, maybe something that is not so probable, not so likely. My may and might are going to be very similar. A lot of teachers bring this on YouTube in their classes, that they have some small differences between them, but I guarantee that they are exactly the same. May and might are used for uncertainty or probability. The final example I am bringing you to cure all your questions, to cure all your pain with modals is the example of should. Should is also a modal and it expresses advice, recommendation, suggestion. It is not as strong as must because must is something really serious, something that comes with the law. Should is a friendly advice. So you shouldn't smoke. You should stop drinking. You should study for the test. Can you see that the modality, the function of this word is to add a suggestion, is to add a recommendation. A lot of languages don't have this kind of words specifically. They use verbs, they use different conjugations of these words. So it's really important to list these modals, study them as they are, and make sure you practice and include them in your daily life. The bonus tip for you to incorporate modals in your life is to remember that modals are always followed by verbs in the infinitive in English. I can play. Play is in the infinitive. You shouldn't smoke. Smoke is a verb in the infinitive. We are never going to conjugate the verb that comes after, connected with a modal. So always modal, you choose the function of this word plus the verb in the infinitive. Make sure you practice, write in the comments your examples using modals, and I may bring a second part of this video to talk about past modals because, yes, modals come in the past as well. These examples I gave you are all talking about present or future, so I will bring you other verbs, other constructions in the next video, so make sure you hit like to let me know that you enjoyed the content. I will see you later, and bye.